Hey everybody, welcome to the second video discussing common words that begin with the letter G. In the first video, we looked at the pronunciation of words that have the G sound. In this one, we will look at words that have a H sound. We're focusing on words beginning with the letters GE and GI. Let's get into it. Now, words beginning with GE make the sound he. He. Hell, hell, gel. Genérico, genérico, generic. Gemelo, gemelo, twin, specifically an identical twin. Gelatina, gelatina, gelatin. Gente, gente, people. General, general, general. Generosidad, generosity, generosity. The word gemelo means twin, specifically an identical twin. Gemelo. If they're twin girls, gemelas, son gemelas, twin boys, gemelos. If it's a non-identical twin, in Spanish we tend to say here in Mexico, son cuates, cuates. So the word cuate is used for non-identical twins, whether they are male and female, female, or male and male. If they're not identical, they're called cuates. The word cuate is also used in Mexico for a really good friend. So, gemelo or gemela for a twin. And now for the words that start with G-I. The sound is he. He. Let's begin. Girar. Girar. Turn. Gimnasio. Gimnasio. Gym or gymnasium. And gigas. Gigas, like gigas or gigabytes. Well, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more practice. Have a beautiful day y bendiciones. Bye-bye.